Today is still the same day. I got the same beanie on. No, that was last year. No, no, it's still the same day. Oh yeah, Spider. Yeah, okay, Spider-Man. So, yeah, I was going to talk about the garden. So here I've got all kinds of like uh, kale. So you got kale. There's sweet basil, spicy basil. This lettuce is wild lettuce. It just comes up wherever it wants to. I let it go to seed, now it's everywhere. And these are chives that I got from the store. I ate the top of the chives and then I put their little rooted parts in the ground. And you can see how all those I bought at the store. I stopped buying them a long time ago. And so I get chives every single day all throughout the winter. And so, you know, you can grow kale in the wintertime. There's actually quite a few things that you can grow in the wintertime. In fact, you can grow a garden 12 months out of the year. And so that's crazy. So yeah, you can have produce 12 out. You don't have to go to the grocery store all the time, right? Just for certain basic stuff. And here's my snow peas. I planted those in mid-July. And I'm still getting snow peas. And I've got, it got so tall, it got way up there past my sticks, and I didn't keep an eye on it, and it just tumbled over, so now it's kind of laying down. And I've got some, here's some onions that I got growing. Those take a long time, about a year or something. Those are onions. Then I've got elephant garlic coming up here. It's elephant garlic all through there. I grew some last year. We ate some, and then I've got asparagus growing in here. You want to let asparagus grow to seed and keep it. Don't cut it down until it's all dead, till the leaves are all dead. That's all asparagus there. I'll never plant tomatoes in my asparagus garden again. It took it over. I just took all my stakes out and let the tomatoes fall over to the ground because they were shading too much of my asparagus plant. And so, and I've got a bunch of more snow peas, and I got sweet peas that I planted, and they're right here in my driveway. This is my driveway garden. So you got some nice snow peas there, some big one down in there. See, snow peas. And so you kind of get the idea there. I'm going to switch this camera over, I think. Did it switch? Oh, guess it doesn't switch in the middle of it. Okay, so you can see how they grew up high. They grew so high above the fence that, they dropped down. So this was actually up. Oh, there's another nice big snow pea. They grew so high that they got up to above the fence, and I don't know, I didn't keep track of them, and they just fell down here. They were above that fence up there. And that goes all the way down the driveway. There's a bunch of strawberry plants that are down there in the base. It goes all the way down. Here's some sweet peas. Here's a sweet pea pod right here. Oh, those are so sweet, just right off the vine. Eat the whole thing. And I just got some hanging strawberry plants there. And that's my winter garden. And it works really well. I think that if you were to go into your area, so this is 8B zone. Check out your zone. You can find out which plants grow well in your zone. And you can have a garden 12 months out of the year. I always thought, oh gosh, it's spring, I got to plant, and you know, then it's over, it's fall, I'm done, right? No. There's certain things that do real well even during frost. Kale is an example. There's many actually. You know, you go into your library. It's called your cell phone, and just figure it out. So there was little seeds that came from my elephant garlic. And I got them in there. Looks like a squirrel got in there. That's why I got this here. And it takes about 3 years. Oh my gosh. 3 years for elephant garlic seeds to actually get to maturity. Sometimes longer, sometimes 4 years. They just grow that slow. Those seeds are from the ones that I harvested over there this early summer. So that's kind of it. Oh, there's the broccoli starting to go to seed there. Oh, there's one of my honeybees. Hey, girl. Yeah, hi there. Here, let me let it down for you. You can have it. Just let it, there you go. You getting some food, huh? Yeah. Well, you take it back to those babies and feed them. Good girl. All right, Miss B. Miss B. Isn't that from Miss B? What is, oh, Miss B. That's from. Gosh, what was that? Miss B. Aunt B. Yeah, old movie, old series. Okay, so that's kind of it for that episode of gardening. All year long, 12 months out of the year. Just got to figure out what does best. Like this wild lettuce here. This wild lettuce, it grows. That grows all winter long. This wild lettuce, all winter long. I get lettuce all winter. It has like a natural antifreeze, right? So I get that. That grows wild. All over the place. I let one go to seed and I don't know, it just kind of got shuffled all over. It even grows between cracks in my walkway. And then there's another one that grows really well in the winter. It's called arugula. It's also a lettuce that has a little spicy flavor to it. And so both of those grow really well in the wintertime, both those two lettuces. And, an 8B. So it depends where you're at. You got to do a little research there, and there you go. Well, that's it for today. Subscribe. Appreciate it. Have a nice day.